Students of standard 7, last time we had done till activity 8, that's on page number 21 of your textbook. Today we will continue with activity 9. Now activity 9 is quite an interesting thing. See the title says 5 things we still do not know. Okay, they may not be, they have given you examples of 5 things, but there are many things for which we still do not know the answer. See, throughout the world there are doctors, scientists, researchers, there are so many people who are doing research on so many things. But then also there are so many things that we still do not know. Now see page number 21. 5 things we still do not know. You may think that teachers, scientists and doctors must know everything important that there is to know. But this is not true. The job of many teachers, scientists and doctors is to do research. You know, throughout the world, there are a lot of doctors, scientists, teachers who do research on different subjects. See, we have medicines for many diseases, but there are many diseases for which we still do not know the cure. There are a lot of planets, a lot of things around us in the space, but there are still many things we still do not know about the space. Same way as far as education is concerned, there is a lot of research that continuously goes on. So there are a lot of people who are involved in research. So, and we think that they should know everything, but that's not true. There are still many things we do not know. Okay, there are still many puzzles left to be solved, and we need people to work on some of these questions. Some of these puzzles are very important to solve. Like, how can we make enough clean water for all the people of the world to live a healthy lifestyle? Now see, one question they have asked you over here is how much water do we need throughout the world so that people may live a healthy lifestyle? Now see, understand one thing. The population of the world may be around 750 crores. For providing clean water to 750 crore people is not an easy thing. Even in India, see, there are many villages in cities, living in cities, we do not find the problem of water to be so acute. But people in the villages, some of the villages of India, they have to walk for so many kilometers just to get their water, just to get the drinking water. Okay, so problem of water is one of the major problems that is being discussed these days, because we know that the underground water, the way we are using it, may soon get over. Okay, so that is why a lot of research has to be done regarding this. Now there are some more questions that they have asked. Here are some things we still do not know. And the first thing they have talked about, doctors and scientists are constantly working to solve medical problems so that people can live a longer, healthier lives. But there are mysteries, but some mysteries aren't about deadly diseases. Now see, doctors and scientists, they are continuously working hard for what? To find out cure for many diseases for which we do not have a cure. But there are still so many diseases for which we do not have a cure, and we have to continuously, scientists and doctors have to continuously do research. Okay, and why this medical research is necessary is because so that the people can live a longer and healthier life. And that is why so much of medical research is necessary. We still do not know why human beings blush. Blushing seems to have no advantage on human body. Blush means sometimes we think something in our mind and we have a smile on our face. That is blushing, but that has no advantage. Now second thing. The second thing is doctors, scientists, psychologists and theologians and others have long been interested in our dreams. But we still do not know why people dream. So first thing was about what can help people to live a longer and healthier life. The second thing we still do not know is why people dream. So doctors, scientists, psychologists, okay, who study about our psychology, means why people think like this and behave like this. They study human behavior. Those people are psychologists. Theologians means who study about religion. Theology means religion. Okay, all these people, they still do not know why people dream. Like we just a few days back we read a story about Akbar and Birbal, where Akbar had a dream, and some people think that our dreams have connections to our present life or maybe our past life, but we still do not know why people dream. Recent research suggests that it helps us to deal with emotions, but one thing that dreams help us is it helps us to carry on with our emotions, because throughout the day there are so many things happening in our life. Next is, there was a manuscript that was written from 1404 to 1438. It might have been written between these years. Manuscript, we have already studied in standard 6. Manuscript is something that's written by hand, is called a manuscript. Now there was a manuscript that was written between these years, and this manuscript was found in 1912. This manuscript, what was written on that or what was shown on that manuscript? It was filled with strange plants, drawings and writings. So this manuscript, as we read it in 6th standard also, that there are manuscripts for which we do not understand the language, and that is why we are not able to know what those manuscripts have to tell us. Okay, this particular manuscript is known as the Voynich manuscript, and its language is completely unknown. So first they talked about living a healthier and a longer life. Then they talked about we do not know why people dream. Third thing we still do not know is about some of the languages and the scripts that were used many hundreds of years ago. Okay. So number 3. In 1912, a manuscript was found that was believed to be from the years 1404 to 1438. It is filled with strange plants and drawings and writing. It is called the Voynich manuscript. Its language is completely unknown. So that's one more thing they are talking about, what we still do not know. The next part, it deals with the radio signal from the space. Now see, once what happened is, some researchers, they got a signal from space, and that was a part of space where no human being has ever been. So when they received that signal from space, they did not know how to react. So first of all, what is written? It lasted for 72 seconds. That signal kept on coming from space for 72 seconds. And the researcher who was on duty at that time, see, they got a printout of that signal. The researcher wrote the word wow, and that is why it is known as the wow signal. So over here, the fourth thing, see, we do not know a lot about space. We do not know whether human life or living things exist on some other planet. See, our Earth and our solar system is not the only thing we have. There are many other solar systems. There are many other sun and their solar system. But we do not know whether they have life or not. Okay. So over here, sometimes people talk about aliens. Sometimes people talk about getting signals from the space. So these signals, we still do not know who might be sending those signals. So number 4, in 1977, researchers received a radio signal from a part of space that no human being has ever been. Means nobody had been to that part. So how can a signal come from there? The signal lasted 72 seconds and appeared to be intentional. Intentional means somebody has sent it by intention. It was not accidental that it just came. Somebody had sent it intentionally. It is known as the wow signal. Okay, and this signal is known as the wow signal because the researcher who was on duty wrote the word wow on the printout. Because the researcher on duty wrote wow on the printout that showed the signal. The signal has never been repeated or explained. Now the next thing they want to talk about is we do not know about the deepest parts of the ocean. We know out of all the oceans that we have, the deepest is the Pacific Ocean. Now see, the deepest, how much have human beings been able to go inside the ocean is 7 miles. We know only what exists in here, but what exists over here after 7 miles we do not know. So there are a lot of creatures living in this part also, but we have never reached this part. We know about aquatic life only, that goes up till 7 miles. Okay, so we still do not know much about the deepest part of the ocean. The first dive to the deepest point, that is 7 miles. So how much have we been able to go into the ocean, down into the ocean is 7 miles. But are the oceans only 7 miles? No, the oceans are much more. They are much deeper. But we know only about this. We do not know what exists after 7 miles. Oceanographers estimate that for every species of animal we know about in the ocean, there are 3 or 4 we do not know about. Means if we know about one species, there are 3 or 4 we do not know about. Means say for example, you can say we know only 20% of the ocean. The remaining 80% of the ocean we still do not know. We know only this much. Only the creature that exists on this layer up till 7 miles. But what is there after 7 miles we still do not know. So there are a lot of questions like this which we have to keep on finding out the answers for which are required. Okay. And one important topic that was talked about in the beginning was water. How to provide. See, activity 10 tells us, poses these questions only. How much fresh water is in the ground? How much underground water is there? Do we know that? No. How many people need access to water? So how many people need access? How many people need that water that is there under the ground? We still do not know. What bacteria or pollution is affecting the water? How much money is needed to clean the water? In case we are taking out that underground water, then how much money will be needed to clean that water so that it can be provided to the people? How can the clean water be distributed to the people? So water is a very important question that troubles countries throughout the world these days. Because we know that life cannot exist without water. So this is one very important thing that people throughout the world are worried about, that how much water we have under the ground and how much more do we need to get so that we are able to live a good life. Okay, without water we cannot think about a life without water. So as far as medicine is concerned, as far as history is concerned, as far as space research is concerned, as far as things into the oceans are concerned, there are a lot of things we still do not know about. So activity 10 tells us about such questions only. So activity 10, over here they have given you space for writing 5 questions. See, there are a lot of questions they have already discussed. And you have to write 5 more questions about things we still do not know. Look again at the article, 5 things we still do not know, with a group, and pick the mystery that interests you the most. Now out of all the 5 things that we read, in things we do not know in activity 9, you have to find out which thing interests you the most. Work with your group and find out 5 more questions or mysteries that researchers should try to answer as they solve the puzzle. Now over here your activity will be, there is space given over here. You have to write 5 more questions for which you think that scientists, researchers, doctors, all these people, they still do not have the answer for all these queries or all these questions. Some of these questions may be related to medical science, it may be related to space, it may be related to education, it may be related to history. So all these are, how did the earth form, how and what is going to be the future, this, that. So there are so many unsolved questions that we still have in our mind. So 5 questions you have to write which you think that we still do not know. There may be more, but try writing 5 questions for which we still do not have the answer. So that's the end of lesson number 2. As and when you have time, go through the videos and try reading all the stories that are there throughout the lesson. Meanings and all that I had already written when I had explained you the stories.